The inventory window lists all of the objects you own. You can switch between icon view and list view by clicking the View button. On the left sidebar of the inventory window, you'll find a list of categories. All objects belong to a specific category, assigned during object upload. By selecting a category, you can filter the objects displayed in your inventory. Additionally, you can use the search field to find objects by typing their name. The inventory window also offers sorting options. The Name button sorts your inventory objects alphabetically, while the Date button sorts them by date received. If you need to refresh your inventory manually, click the Refresh button to update the display with any new items. There are two ways to place an object into your region while using the region editor. The first method is to open your inventory. Left-click on the item in your inventory window, and then hover your cursor over the ground in your region. The item will appear in real time, following your cursor for easy positioning. Click the left mouse button again to set the item down. The second method is to left-click and hold on the item in your inventory window, and then drag it into the region. Release the left mouse button, and your item will be placed in the indicated position.